A lot of the information you work with today might sit outside of Microsoft 365. So how can you safely bring that information into your Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365 experience to ground generative AI results? Our first option lets you use Microsoft Graph connectors to integrate the data sources that you want with Semantic Index for Copilot. This option pre-indexes defined read-only information used for retrieval with your prompts to drive the most relevant AI-generated responses. Another option uses managed and trusted plugins, which can be a few different types, including OpenAI plugins, Microsoft Teams message extensions, and Power Platform connectors. And with plugins, instead of pre-indexing information, based on your prompt, they optimize for real-time, API-based data retrieval to help inform generated AI responses, and additionally can even optionally perform actions on your behalf, like writing back data. Both options follow Microsoft's comprehensive security, compliance, and privacy approach, and respect the boundaries that you define within your organization's data services.